Hey guys, so this is how to make something, a DIY fidget toy, I guess. I don't know what to do with it. So, I'm going to show you guys what you need. You need any plain sock. I use white because the girls used it in the video. Then you need a plastic bag. A rubber band. The thing that's really loud. Any color plastic rubber band. So what you want to do is you want to get your sock, whatever sock you're using. Get the thing that you're using, and then you want to put it all the way down to the bottom. And then you just want to grab your rubber band and do this. And then grab your plastic rubber band. I don't know why, but just put it and twist it. If you put the American Girl doll's hair up or regular person's hair up, twist it to make it go over and stuff. And then that's how you make a DIY stash thing. I don't know what to call it. Oh, and if you guys want to do I'm gonna do something else. So you guys were wondering, can you show us how to do that little water ball thing? Can't really do it, but I'll tell you what you need for it. What you need for this is an empty plastic water bottle. Fill it up to here, to right here. Fill it up to like right here. Right here, fill it up to. Do that, and then grab whatever, and grab some food coloring, put it into here, put it into your bottle. Do four drops. If you want to do 2 colorings, do 4 drops. And then what you want to do after that is shake it. Make sure your lid's on tight, and then go and put whatever soap you want into your bottle. Shake it again like this. Shake until it gets really hard. And then there you go. Have yourself 2 little fidget toys. I don't call this one like a fidget. Oh yeah, I need to do a room tour, so I'm gonna do that. Forgot to put my camera backwards. Oh, it's just like always.